Join me as I dive deep into EOSE stock and try to break it down in a way that even a beginner can understand. EOSE stock has been making waves in the energy sector lately, and for good reason. The company has been at the forefront of providing innovative solutions to the world's growing energy needs. With a global focus on clean and sustainable energy, EOSE's cutting-edge technology and commitment to reducing carbon footprints have caught the attention of investors and industry experts alike. The energy sector is rapidly evolving, and EOSE is positioning itself as a leader in this space. Recent market trends have seen a surge in interest in renewable energy stocks, and EOSE has benefited from this trend. However, like any stock, EOSE's journey isn't without its challenges. Market volatility has been a significant hurdle, with fluctuations in energy prices and regulatory changes impacting investor confidence. Some investors have also expressed skepticism about the company's long-term viability, citing concerns over competition and the pace of innovation in the sector. These challenges have led to some significant price swings, making it a stock that's not for the faint of heart. Despite these hurdles, EOSE has shown resilience, and its stock price has rebounded in recent months, driven by positive developments and a clearer outlook for the company. Let's take a closer look at EOSE's business model. The company specializes in developing and implementing sustainable energy solutions, ranging from solar and wind power to energy storage systems. Their recent performance has been impressive, with EOSE reporting strong revenue growth and improved profitability. Key factors influencing its stock price include the company's ability to secure new contracts, advancements in technology, and shifts in government policies supporting renewable energy. For instance, EOSE's innovative approach to energy storage has garnered significant attention, and their recent partnerships with leading industry players have further solidified their position in the market. As the global demand for clean energy continues to rise, EOSE's commitment to innovation and sustainability positions it well for long-term success. There have been some exciting developments in EOSE's world recently. The company announced a groundbreaking partnership with a leading tech firm to develop next-generation energy storage solutions. This collaboration aims to revolutionize the way we store and use energy, making renewable sources more viable and efficient. Additionally, EOSE has been investing heavily in research and development, focusing on creating more efficient and cost-effective solutions for its customers. These advancements not only enhance EOSE's product offerings but also strengthen its competitive edge in the market. In summary, EOSE stock presents a compelling opportunity for those interested in the energy sector, particularly in renewable energy. The company faces risks, including market volatility and intense competition, but its innovative approach and strong growth potential make it an attractive option for investors looking to diversify their portfolios. What are your thoughts on EOSE stock? Have you invested in it, or are you considering it? Let me know in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about EOSE or other stocks in the energy sector, be sure to check out my related videos for deeper insights and analysis.